Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Brian, Minnesota on this Ranger RCI 99N2. Brian, I got ready to go for you, bud. Good talking to you the other day, by the way. Ranger RCI 99N2 boasts 8 MOSFETs in the amp section. You elected for the electrolytic capacitor upgrades, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, and the tune alignment. So let's just show you what we got here. We're going to roll it all the way down. 100-watt slug. Got you about 4 watts all the way down. That way you have enough adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Roll it up. 40 watts. I'll show you average power swing. Low. 100 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug in average. Low. About 115 average. What's that mean for the PEP side? Hello, 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 hello. Looks like about 250 watts. We'll roll it all the way down here. Hello. Still right on 250 watts. All right, Brian, we'll get it up there to you, but I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.